Baddie series is back, you guys. I am so excited to be back with a new video, and not just any video, you guys, a Baddie series video. I know you guys have been waiting a long time for this, and I thought it was just so perfect to do Lilo and Stitch as this 10th episode of the Baddie series, since the movie just recently came out, the live action version. And I did some thumbnail drawings, and I only needed 2 because I was like, you know what, I like these just the way they are, because those reference images, literally I imagined exactly how I wanted to look as soon as I saw them, and then I just sketched them out on my sketchbook page because I decided I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna put my sketches in my sketchbook, and then I'm gonna transfer them digitally, so that way I can fill up my sketchbook while also being able to enjoy them digitally. Yes, you guys. So I thought this was a great way for me to like get 2 squirrels with 1 nut. I know that's crazy. I just don't like to say 2 birds with 1 stone because I don't want to kill no birds with a stone. Okay, I know. Anywho's so I decided for this piece I really wanted to do something just really chill, very calm and cute, and I didn't want to change Stitch. I wanted to keep Stitch exactly as is because honestly that's Lilo and Stitch for you. I feel like Stitch is the main character. Let's just keep him as is, and let's make a grown version of Lilo, which is practically giving Nani. I mean, come on, Nani was a whole baddie already, like what? But yeah, y'all, so I'm really excited with the vision that I had for this piece, and you guys will see as we get towards the end. But I haven't drawn in a while, you guys, and I am getting back in the groove. Like, I am feeling it. Like, I am like, okay, thank you, Jesus, because it's been a minute since I practiced, and I feel like sometimes when I take a break and just do what I need to do for my mental health, I come back refreshed, feeling better than ever, you know what I mean? And yeah, so I just was really taking my time with this, just really having fun with it, really just getting back to the love of, you know, creating these YouTube videos that I always had, you know, and just really sharing, you know, this process with you guys. And then I have my little Stitch over here. You see my little Stitch with the little light bulb he's holding? He was like a perfect little model for me so I can kind of see his body and stuff. I'm surprised at how good I was actually drawing Stitch. Like, yes, I was using reference photos, but it's actually a lot easier than I thought it would be. So I was really happy and, you know, surprised with that. Okay, so this is the first face that I drew, but I didn't really like that style. I wasn't really going for that. I was going for more of like an anime Disney style, and that's more so my style, is like a mixture of anime and Disney. And so this was the face that I ended up with, which I really love. And I love like when I draw and I kind of keep sharp lines, it just gives a lot more, I don't know, like it just, I don't know, it's just tea. Like, I can't explain it. It just be given, you know? And then as I draw or sketch, I just gradually build up those lines as I go until like I'm like, okay, I want my lines to be here. So that's a little tip. Just keep your lines light and gradually build up. And yeah, like, period. So yeah, y'all, like sketching, drawing, that's like one of my favorite things to do. That's why you don't see me color as much, because I just love to draw. That's why I do make coloring books, you know, check me out, link in bio to my shop with all of my coloring books. I got a new book coming out soon, so y'all stay tuned for that. And yeah, y'all, don't get me wrong, I really want to get into like painting and stuff and coloring more. I don't know about coloring these sketches in my sketchbook, because you know how it would be, like you're just like, I don't want to mess it up, I don't know if I want to color it. So these might just stay as sketches and just be a part of a sketchbook tour. Hopefully we can do that again, but your girl has not been sticking to consistent sketching, so I really need to get back to that. But yeah, y'all, I'm happy to be back on this channel. Make sure y'all leave in the comments below what videos you guys would like to see from me, because I got you. Okay, we're going to be doing tutorials again, and we're gonna just be having a lot of fun. So make sure you leave your YouTube video requests in the comments so I can have some ideas. And once again, I cannot believe we are on episode 10 of the Baddie series, you guys. Like, that is crazy. Like, I am just so thankful that you guys have been loving the series this far and this long, and that you guys are still here ready for the series. Like, that is like amazing. And you know, I'm just truly grateful and thankful for you guys. Y'all are awesome. And this is how the sketches turned out. They turned out really cute. Like, oh my gosh, I love both of the poses. So now it's time to take them digitally. So now I'm using Procreate and I am starting with the outline, and I'm taking my most favorite paintbrush, which is from my very own Procreate brush set, the raw sushi brush set, and I'm taking my raw crisp sketch brush. And I also have created a new brush which is perfect for line art, especially if you're making coloring books, and I call it the smoothie line art brush, you guys. And I'm using pen nibs as well, and I got these pen nibs from Amazon, and there's different pen nibs that come inside to have different textures or just a different feel, and I absolutely love it. So if you guys are interested in these pen nibs that I got, check it out in the links below. So yeah, you guys, and it also just makes it a lot easier to do your line art as well. The pen nibs plus my paintbrush set, like, you guys, y'all need this set. If you haven't got this set already and you have Procreate, like, you are missing out. Like, this is gonna make your lines so smooth and just look so good, especially if you're making coloring books. This is the brush set for you, y'all. So right here, I'm just, you know, getting the line art done. I'm thickening up the lines in some areas because this is going to make our line work look so much more dynamic, and I highly suggest that you guys try this method. Like, leave some areas thin, some areas thick, and it's going to make your line art look so good. Because I know one of the biggest problems, like, us as artists we have is like when our drawings look better than the line art, but your line art can actually look just as good. And all you have to do is really just play with the opacity of the sketch under it, like turn it down and go back and forth, like checking your line work versus the drawing, and that'll help you a lot with making sure that the line art looks just as good as your drawing. And this time I'm doing thicker line art. I think my style has changed to like a more simplified style when it comes to coloring, but hey, I can't say, because honestly I'm always switching back and forth because I just, you know, really it depends on the mood. Like, sometimes I want to do a full render and I want to do more details, and sometimes I just want to keep it simple, like right now. And with this particular piece, I had a really cool idea for it. I really wanted to go for like a nice little design that would look perfect like on posters or framed, and you'll see as we go along with the piece. And here I am drawing coloring Lilo's iconic dress, and I'm filling in her hair up here. Whenever you're coloring black hair, don't make it actually all black, like do like a very dark gray. I'm also using the pictures to kind of do a color drop to make sure that the colors are as accurate to the characters as possible. And yeah, basically just putting all of my flat colors down. Literally, this is the most boring and the worst part of the coloring process, in my opinion, is putting the flats down, because it's like you just can't see the vision with the flats, but it'll make everything so much easier when you just get this part done first. Put those flats down and then you do the shading instead of trying to do it one by one. So that's what I'm doing here. And don't forget to fill in the whites of the eye, which is also known as the sclera of the eye. So don't forget to fill those in. And yeah, I'm using my brush set, my entire brush set, for this whole piece. So that's what I'm doing right now. And we are going to get to shading in a little bit. I don't know what happened, but I guess I forgot to film me shading. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, you guys. But I am shading the hair here, so we do have that part. But like I said, put your requests in the comments below if you guys want any tutorials for anything or whatnot, let me know. And then I'm doing the background as like a seafoam green, because I just really want to feel beach vibes, Hawaiian vibes, summer vibes. And then if you look at color theory, red and green are complementary colors. So you see her skin has like reddish tones and hues in it, so it just balances so well with the greenish background. So keep that in mind too. Make sure you study that color theory, girls and boys, so that you can level up your coloring game 100,000%. And if you're interested, I do have a Patreon with a tutorial of the color theory, so you guys can learn on there, and I have over 50 plus tutorials on there you guys can check out. And now I'm looking up some Hawaiian leaves or botanicals reference because I wanted to, you know, add some of this in the background. I really felt like this would really bring the background together, and I wanted to keep it very simple because I really wanted to think of this as like a simple graphic design that would be really cute, like maybe in like a little beach house bathroom or just a beach house in general. And I just think that this would look so good. Like, oh my gosh, wouldn't you guys want this like framed and like at a beach house or just in your house or on your wall? So definitely love that, which I do have an announcement, by the way, in a second, and I'm going to tell you guys about it in a little bit. And then of course I had to fill in that negative space with the iconic Ohana. And you know, in Lilo and Stitch they say Ohana means family, which means no one gets left behind. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is so perfect to put on there. Like, instead of doing Lilo and Stitch, why not Ohana? It just makes more sense, and it's just like, you know, it just, you know, it makes more sense design wise too. And it's just, I don't know, it's just so cute and I love it. And I can't wait to know what you guys think about this piece, because I really feel like it shows how much I've grown up in terms of what I like style wise. Like, you can just tell like my style has grown into its own like thing now. Like, yes. So yeah, you guys. And then I decided I wanted to outline the Ohana just to make it stand out a little bit more. And boom, she's done, y'all. Look at my Lilo and Stitch. Lilo all grown up. Honestly, she really reminds me of my original character, Mimi. Mimi literally looks just like her. Her hair is just longer. So I think that's so funny that my character, Mimi, literally just looks like Lilo in the grown-up form right now. So, but yeah, so cute. Or maybe it's Mimi dressed as Lilo. Who knows? I don't know. But she's super cute. Make sure you guys leave a comment below and subscribe, share this video if you love this video, especially if you guys want to see more of the Baddie series and other things, please do. Also, you guys, coloring pages are available for this video, you guys. As you notice, I didn't color this one here, but I will be providing for you guys a free coloring page as a little surprise, a little gift for you guys. So you guys will get this coloring page right here of the drawings that I drew in today's video. So if you guys are wanting this coloring page, this free download is available in the link below. So go ahead and get your coloring page. Make sure to tag me at Raw Sushi on Instagram and TikTok. I want to see your creations, you guys. Make sure to tag Raw Sushi as well. And before you guys go, I also have another big surprise for you guys. This is something that you guys have been waiting for a very long time. I have bought back my prints, you guys. Yes, y'all. And not just any prints, the Baddie series prints, you guys. This is my Baddie series collection. I thought it was just the perfect time to announce that I have Baddie series prints available now on my website, rawsushi.com. You guys can get the whole collection on there, y'all. So make sure you guys check it out. We've got the SpongeBob and Patricia, Edna Mode, Kim and Chico. We've got Lizzie McGuire. We got Miss Penne Proud, okay? And we've got Miss Dolores Madrigal. And we have Miss Mojo Jojo. And we have Dextra. Yes. You guys, I cannot believe this. And of course, we are going to be including the newest one, which is the Ohana Lilo and Stitch print. So she will be available on the website as well. So I'm so excited that we finally have prints back, especially Baddie series edition. So make sure you guys go check out this Baddie series collection on my website. And yeah, y'all, thanks again for watching this video. I missed you guys so much. Make sure to just continue to stay creative, keep your head up, keep drawing, keep creating, and just continuing to put God first, because he is everything. So I love you guys, and I'll see you all next time. Peace, love, and God bless, my loves. Bye.